Hello and welcome back friends. In this video we are going to make this star origami. So take a craft paper and start folding it like this. Fold it from other side as well. Now press it and cut the portion, and when you open it you will get a pentagon shape like this. After that we are going to again fold it from its corners like this. We are making crease here, and look, it is almost ready now. Then we are going to fold it, and look, you will get a shape like this. Again we are going to fold it from its sides like this. Flip all the sides and start folding it from the corners, and look, it is almost ready now. Again we are folding from the top section like this, and gently open it, and look, press it like this, and you will get a star. Again fold it and press it, and look, you need to fix it from all its corners, and it's done. Let's make this aeroplane using craft paper. We are going to fold a yellow craft paper from its diagonals. Again we are going to fold it and make a shape of a square. Then we are going to again fold it like this, flip it and fold it from this side as well like we are doing here, and you will get a shape like this. Now pull those craft paper downwards. We are going to make the wings of the plane like this. Now mark line like this and cut till the line. Then we are going to fold it and you'll get your airplane shape. You can make more such shapes using different colorful papers. In this video, we are going to make these colorful dragonflies using craft paper. So take a square craft paper. We are folding an orange craft paper here. Fold it from its diagonals. Now we are going to fold it like we are doing here. Flip it again and fold it from its corners, and you will get a shape like this. Now we are going to pull the sides outwards like this and make the wings of the dragonfly like this. Again we are going to flip it and give it shape from its top section like this, and look, we are going to make cuts from both its ends, and look, your wings are ready. After that we are going to roll it from other end like this, give it shape, and look, it is ready. Look at these beautiful stars. Let's make it. First we are going to cut these strip of papers and start folding it. We are folding this yellow and red craft paper. Look how we are making triangle, and again fold them like this. Now we are going to put the corners inside another like this, and it is ready. Then we are going to paste more strips like this using a glue stick, and repeat the same process of folding the stars like this around it, and look, you will get a shape like this. Finally tuck it inside, and look, your star is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.